Beau's robot motors problem. For this video, I will be using your Ready to Mathematics instruction book, page 48. Let's take a look at a real-world problem. Beau wants to build a shelf to store his 20 robot motors. Look at his plan. Use more than one shelf. Okay. Put the same number of motors on each shelf. Okay, doesn't sound like a bad plan to me. How many shelves should Beau make? And how many motors should he put on each shelf? So, two questions here. You can use the cubes method to solve this. Starting with C, circle important numbers. Definitely 20 is going to be important here because there are 20 robot motors. Also, the other number is 1, but be careful about this number. That's why I circled it in a different color. I'll come back to that in a second. Underline the question, how many shelves should Beau make? And how many motors should he put on each shelf? So, a two-parter question here. B stands for box in any important words or even phrases. What's really important here, I think, is the phrase more than one shelf. That's why I circled it in a different color, because Beau is not using just one shelf. That would be too easy. Here, he is using more than one shelf. And what could that mean? Well, more than one shelf could mean anything greater than one. It could mean 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves. Also, same number each shelf. Each shelf that Beau makes will have the same exact number of robot motors on it. That is another really important piece of information here. When exploring a problem, which is the E in the cubes method, you can ask yourself what you know. Well, you know that he has 20 robot motors. He wants to use more than one shelf, and that each shelf will have the same exact number of robot motors on it. And you're trying to find out how many shelves he should make, and how many motors should he put on each of those shelves. Pause the video and explain to yourself or your learning coach what Beau wants to do in your own words. How would you rephrase what he wants to do? Because sometimes putting things in your own words helps you understand the problem a lot better. So, just to clarify, how many shelves is more than one shelf? Any number more than one, right? Could he put 19 motors on one shelf and one on another? No. 19 and 1 are not the same number. Remember, he wants to put the same number on each shelf. Now, since you have just explored this problem, continue on to see how Beau could solve this problem step by step. Oh, hey robots!